Keeping our fingers crossed, just like we've been keeping our fingers crossed for some rain, but it got to be a little much in some areas, Cindy.
I think somebody crossed their fingers and toes because this is a lot, but I mean, we'll take it. It's just when it comes in too quickly, it can lead to flash flooding. And that's what we have been experiencing this morning down along the south coast where the rainfall amounts have been highest. Now, this is showing you the entire event since the rain started early yesterday. So you can see some areas are up over an inch. Boston is now as well. We started out with under 0.2 of an inch of rain this morning. So we've had a good dose of it today. You can see we're over an inch of rain, Orange, Fitchburg as well. But notice Providence over 3, New Bedford closing in on 2. So it's really southeastern Massachusetts that has been hit hardest with the rain today. And we still have these active flash flood warnings. This one here in Rhode Island goes until about 1:45 this afternoon because we're seeing new rain coming into this area. We are not done. We are still looking at an additional inch or more of rain as we go from the afternoon. And keep in mind, any of these downpours and thunderstorms that develop could have some locally higher amounts. And that is going to be the concern of greatest threat this afternoon, downpours that could lead to some localized flooding. But we're also going to be watching for the risk of some thunderstorms. That is a moderate risk, and it's a non-zero risk that we could see some rotating cells this afternoon, and there could be an isolated tornado. It's a low risk, but just something to be aware of through the afternoon. No lightning locally right now, but plenty of rain falling. So let me take you into a couple of areas here. First off, the outermost Cape. This is what is left of that cluster of rain that caused the flash flooding on the south coast. And you can see it's starting to shift off now. Provincetown down to Eastham, Wellfleet, Truro, looking at some heavy rain, but this will likely be offshore in the next half an hour or so. New batch of rain coming into the areas where we have active flood warnings. Warwick over to Fall River, looking at intensity of rain here. And you know, the infrastructure around New Bedford, Fall River doesn't do well with these, fast downpours. So any additional rain here could lead to some localized flooding. You don't want to drive over any roads that are flooded if you don't know how deep the water is. See a few lightning strikes here in southern Vermont, and then farther west out across New York State, another tornado warning has popped up out into New York State. This is just an indication of what is happening here along a warm front that is lifting up into our area this afternoon. It creates winds turning in the low levels of the atmosphere, and that's how you can get some of those rotating storms. So we're going to watch for that risk get into the western part of our state this afternoon as that warm front continues to lift northward. Low risk of an isolated severe storm as we go through the afternoon into Connecticut and western Rhode Island as well. This warm front will then lift northward, taking the thunderstorms with it into this evening, and then a cold front will cross overnight. Once it pushes east tomorrow, we are done with the rain. In fact, we're going to dry things out in the overnight hours. So have your rain gear on standby the rest of the afternoon. Temperatures will come up into the low 70s with super high humidity, and you can see that risk of some showers and storms here going from 2 o'clock this afternoon till 4 p.m. lifting north of the Pike. And then as we get deeper into the evening, there'll be a bit of a lull before we have that one final risk of a shower or thunderstorm in the overnight hours. It's a murky start tomorrow, and then look at the temperatures. We're up around 80 degrees tomorrow afternoon. It is going to be quite warm. Want to let you know high pressure is trying to move in for the weekend, but there is going to be a little disturbance that may try to sneak northward. Some of our latest computer models are actually indicating we could catch a couple of showers here Sunday morning. So watching for that risk. It's a warm weekend. We're going to be up around 80 degrees through early next week, and then cooling down as October the 1st arrives on Wednesday. It does look like a shot of cooler air. That cool, dry air from Canada may keep some tropical activity at bay. We'll be talking more about that certainly in the days ahead.